Try again. MCQ exam for ITI Principle 8. Here is first question. Which of the following commission is regarded as National Education Commission? A. Radhakrishnan Commission, B. Kothari Commission, C. Justice Dr. K. Punaiya Commission. None of these. Option B. Kothari Commission. Second is, prior to 1956, day-to-day administration of ITS was under state, union territories. C. Both of above. C. Central. Prior to 1956, day-to-day administration of ITF was under central government. Third, AVTS has been operationalized from A. 1956, B. 1966, C. 1977, D. 1988. EVTS has been operationalized from the year C, option 1977. Fourth question before us is, how should ITI principal behave with her students? A. Relatively at a safe distance and no need to show them care about their career etc. B. At a relatively safe distance and no need to show them they care about their career etc. Option C. At a personal level and showing them care about their career choice etc. D. None of these. ITI principal should behave with her student at a personal level and showing them care about their career etc. Option C. 5. PR professional in technical vocational education is supposed to be adamant over the structure provided by DGNT, be updated over new technologies, trends and best practices in TV, either of above, D. None of above. Option A is adamant over the structure, so ruled out. Be updated over new technologies, trends and best practices, that is the option. Either of above can't be. So option is D. 6. Manage the PR professional in TV faces negative feedback. What should he do? A. Immediately report to her seniors. B. Take legal advice and issue notice accordingly. C. Respond blatantly as it is a question of image of department. D. Manage the situation constructively. The correct option is D. Manage the situation constructively. 7th is, which of the following can be categorized as resources which ITI principal needs to optimize? A. Instructors, B. Equipment, thin students. Option A only, B 1 and 2 only, C all 1, 2 and 3, D none of above. Following resources in which ITI principal needs to optimize, it should optimize instructors, B equipment, can't control over students, optimization of 1 and 2 only. Option B 1 and 2 only. Instructors and equipment needs to be optimized by ITI principal. Which of the following is not a strength in the field of technical and vocational education? Cost effectiveness, B. Demand for skilled labor, C. Diverse programs, D. Inadequate funding. While option A, B and C, cost effectiveness, demand for skilled labor and diverse programs, are strengths in field of technical and education, while inadequate funding is not a strength. It's you can categorize it as a backlog or the lacuna in the TV. So the option D is correct. Which of the following can't be associated with technical and vocational education? High social status, B. Lack of teacher training, C. Limited recognition, D. Outdated curriculum. Yes, teacher training, B is fact. C. Limited recognition, yes, that is also fact. Outdated curriculum can be associated with technical and vocational education. So correct option is A. High social status. It is relatively called blue collar jobs and low social status etc. 10th is joke, कटप्पा ने बाहुबली को क्यों मारा? A. Loyalty, B. Rajadesh, C. Treachery, D. None of these. The correct option is Rajadesh. And last but not the least, are the questions from till date are up to the mark? Option A is yes, B no, C can't be predicted, D none of these. In order to get the perfect answer, you need to click no. So here we conclude.